Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed my last video on corn chorizo pav. Today's recipe is an unusual recipe which is known as pumpkin cake. This pumpkin cake is simply delicious and is super spongy, just like a normal tea time cake. Let's go ahead and see the preparation on how to bake this super spongy and yummy cake. Let's start with setting out the ingredients as listed in the description. Take a large bowl and break in 6 medium eggs or 7 small eggs. Take in your hand mixer or a whisker and start beating in the eggs until it changes the texture. This process might take around 5 to 7 minutes. Nearer the time, the eggs will increase in volume and will be much lighter and fluffier than before. As you beat in, you'll notice that the air bubbles will be much lesser as compared to the mixture before. Once they are light and fluffy, while beating in, add in the measured sugar, that is 200 grams of brown sugar and 200 grams of white sugar, and mix all of the ingredients together until all of the sugar and eggs are completely combined. Now is the time you add in the oil, mixing well. Let's beat this for another 1.5 minutes. Take in a strainer and sieve in all of the flour. Make sure you break in any lumps. So it is very important that you sieve in the flour. Now add in the measured bicarbonate of soda, baking powder and salt. Give all the ingredients a quick mix without turning on the hand mixer, or you can just use the cut and fold method and start beating in the mixture. Do not overbeat the mixture, it just has to be slightly mixed. Now add in the grated pumpkin. Add in 1 tablespoon of the vanilla extract and mix it thoroughly. Use a spatula and scrape the sides. Cut and fold the batter using a spatula and set aside. Now take in your baking tray. I've just prepared the containers by brushing some butter and dusting some flour, or you can go ahead and use a parchment paper or a baking paper to cover the sides and the base of the things. Once the batter is filled in the tins, tap the tins a couple of times in order to release the air bubbles formed in the batter. Now bake the batter into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, insert a toothpick in the center of the batter and check if the cake is evenly baked. If not, bake it for another 5 to 7 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Take the cake out of the baking tray and place it on a cooling rack. Once the cooling process is complete, slice the cake into the desired shape and serve it with a hot cup of tea or coffee. So here you go, our amazing and super soft and delicious pumpkin cake is made in no time. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more upcoming recipes. God bless and see you next time.